Okay, so it's transmission cross member time. So we're back on the 63. Everybody's favorite dad joke is under there. CJ, say hi to the people, CJ.
Hi to the people.
So this is that cross member I picked up off of Amazon. It's supposed to be a bolt-in cross member. Pretty good idea. The only problem is they want you to drill all the holes for the bolt-in. That's not quite what I anticipated. I'm old, fat, lazy. I wrongly assumed that this was going to bolt in, not that I would be drilling holes in the frame. This is not very convenient with the cab and everything on and the transmission already installed. My bad. All right, sorry, battery died. So my bad, I guess you could say. If you had your cab off and you don't mind drilling these holes out, it actually seems like a pretty beefy little cross member, and it's got the kickouts for the exhaust. I actually like that. Unfortunately for me, where this bolts to the frame is actually where I have fuel lines and brake lines and stuff going. So I did the next best thing and I pulled out that cross member that I got with the transmission. This one's out of the van. I had to lop the ends off, and then I went to go put it in, and man, she's just so deep. So I got a couple options. I could lop all this off and it fits pretty good, but then I lose all the strength. I could cut this down and just bring it down to here, which would be fine. But I mean, at that point, you may as well just get a piece of square tubing, right? So I went over to I Pull You Pull, talked to those guys, went inside and took a look around, and this is what I came up with. This is actually a cross member, I believe, out of a 74 Camaro. And as you can see, it's going to work for us. Look at that. So with that said, we haven't tried to bolt her in yet or anything. But I still got to drill some holes for the frame, I'm sure. But we'll come under here, slide that over to CJ, and I'll come in, and we'll see what we got. Is something like this gonna work for us? What do we think, Siege?
This is not quite. This is off center about 1 inch, I think.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab a tape measure and see if the transmission is on center or not. Okay, so down here what I did was I basically just laid the cross member in place where I wanted it to be, marked it with a marker on the frame, grabbed the drill and basically just drilled my 4 holes for 4 3/8 bolts. So pretty straightforward. Then we just slammed up the cross member and dropped the transmission into place. If you see that strap up there, what that's all about is the transmission was about 1/4 inch off where I wanted it. So I just hooked up the strap around the transmission tail shaft, connected it to the frame, and then coaxed it over that 1/4 inch. Not a big deal. It's lined up real nice. I'm super happy with the way it looks in there. This was a low cost $20-25 cross member from the Auto Wreckers. It looks like it belongs there. And any second gen Camaro, Firebird, there may be other ones that work as well. I think it's 36 inches across. I can't remember, but that's the one you want. Let me get you a better view of it there. So this is what she looks like. You can see it kind of kicks up a little bit off the bottom of the frame and then kicks down to accommodate the transmission, back up again and then down. And what this does is it allows for you to run your dual exhaust very nicely. I'm really happy with this. The Amazon one actually gives you a better kick out, but this works just as well. Here's a view from the side. you know, she's sitting nice and pretty square with that the frame, and the view from under the hood looks good there as well. Overall, extremely happy with this good, clean, cheap fix.